uSivuyile Mbuyane uthi nakuba ikhona imithetho evikela izingane kodwa isetshenziswa ngendlela efanele.
As a child in South Africa, I do feel protected because there are laws that protect us. But I think that the problem here is the implementation. There's definitely a gap in the implementation. And I feel like if the laws were implemented as much as they are put in place, we would be so much safer as children here in South Africa.
Uthi izingane zizonikwa ithuba lokuchaza kabanzi ngezingqinamba ezibhekana nazo kulengqungquthela.
We will be having opinions from children around the world. So as South Africa, I will be bringing my opinion and my experience on child labor as much as they will be bringing their opinions and the forms of child labor that they go through. And of course, because every problem must have a solution, our discussions will be solution-based.
Angeke zishiwe ngaphandle nalezo ingane ezihlala emgwaqeni kulengqungquthela nalezo ezidinga usizo.
We have multiple organizations for that. We work with DSD, we work with Save the Children, we work with multiple organizations where we help children who are in need when they come to us or we come to them. So they join these organizations and they are given the platforms for them to be recognized for the brilliance that they have, of course, and that is what helps them out of the situation that they are in.
Lengqungquthela inkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Center eThekwini iqale khona emini nje kanti izophothulwa ngoLwesihlanu okuhloswe ngayo ukutholakala kwesisombululo ngengqinamba yokugqilazwa kwezingane ihlelwe inhlangano ezisebenza emhlabeni iInternational Labour Organization kanti sekunyaka wesihlanu isingathwa. NginguCalvin Dludla kwezindaba ze-SABC.